Okay, let's talk about turning your maintenance software from a chore into a win. Does this sound familiar? You've invested in a powerful tool, but something just isn't clicking. So what is it? Think of it as your command center for all things maintenance.
Yeah, the promise is incredible, but the reality for so many teams is just frustration.
And that's a shame, because a well-used CMMS can slash unplanned downtime by up to 40%.
But if your team just sees it as more paperwork, even the best software will fail.
So how do you flip the script and make them want to use it? The answer is gamification. And no, we're not just talking about silly games here. It's about using things like points and badges to tap into our natural drive to compete.
All right, let's get into the blueprint. Here's how you can actually build this.
First up, achievement badges. They're like an instant pat on the back for a job well done. Next, use team-friendly leaderboards. Resetting them keeps the competition fresh and fair for everyone.
You can even build an RPG-style progression system. I mean, who doesn't love to level up?
And try launching team quests. This turns routine work into a shared, collaborative mission. Okay, but does turning work into a game actually work? What's the real payoff?
This is where it gets good. You're basically turning your key metrics into high scores.
You'll see a real impact on the bottom line, like a 15 to 30% cut in labor costs.
Plus, proactive maintenance means your critical assets can last up to 20% longer. And get this, mobile apps alone can save each technician about 44 minutes every single day. The return on investment here isn't some far-off dream. It happens, and it happens fast. Here's the bottom line. When your technicians are winning, the whole company wins. So, are you ready to stop just managing maintenance and start winning it?